Hello and welcome to this channel where I talk about trading in the crypto market. I am going to show you guys how I enter these trades, what I look for before entering the trades, and most importantly, some of the rules that I never break. Welcome back to today's video. So today we are going to be doing another daily update on BTC, at the same time price prediction, where I see price going and future movements, but at the same time I haven't actually checked price in quite some time because I was actually busy these past few days. Okay, so BTC, okay, wow, this was a BOS. Okay, Ethereum, okay, Ethereum, wow, Ethereum is good, but I don't know why I didn't mark out the second box. Okay, wait, I want to check out Ethereum. Ethereum seems a little bit weird right now. Get rid of all this. Okay, so if we consider this one of the boxes, so what's gonna happen here, price broke, came back in test, broke out here, and then this becomes the next box, which is mad. And then so price broke, and wait, so over here it's trading, and then price broke out in this direction. It tested back in and shot all the way down, so that's already a W trade. And then your next box is going to be this one, where price shot down but broke and broke like a triple break structure. So what's gonna happen here, need to look for the bottom, but anyways, I hope you guys can understand how this is a BOS, because if we point out both sides, on this side and on this side, price broke out up, down, up twice. No, down, up, down. So like an additional of three times. So with this, how do we move on from here? I guess that's a question in everyone's mind, because anyways it's already a break of structure, no point going in the past. I mean, I guess the more or the most simple one is just to go for the bottom. Broke, tested, shot up. That's the most obvious one. Broke, tested, and then shot up, which is a matter of like minutes that all this happened. But from here to here is like 9 hours, about 9 hours, which is an amazing trade. I mean, if people are looking to set up in such a way, that would have been an amazing one, and I would have supported this trade through and through. But now, as we can see, this is going to be our next box. So this is one of those times where this is still setting up stage. Setup is not done, because we need to see where price moves. If price breaks, test breakout, or if price breaks down, test breakout. Those are the only two options that we are currently having. Those are the only two options for sure. I mean, like, yeah, so that's it. And then let's go back to Bitcoin to actually, let me show you guys why it's another BOS. I mean, look, it's gonna base it off the last box and keep moving. Okay, so let's just make this rather wider. We horizontal line here, horizontal line at the bottom, so that we have our own basis. As we can see, price broke out. That's not a test back, no, don't even think about it. That is not considered one. Okay, so price broke. This is one. Trade, and boom, BOS. So now, what can we do? Because it's already a naturally BOS, so I am thinking VRS I should leave. Okay, so I mean, I think I know what to do here. Let me show you guys what I would do in this specific situation now that we have this trading. we always have to get the bottom. So this right here is the bottom, right? Now that we have that, we know that, wait, let's go take this high. So if we hold on our broken line, we can see price actually broke out in this area here. So price broke, came back and tested, shot up. But wait, let me get rid of actually all this stuff first. Let's get this, and let's make it thinner. Okay, one. So you guys can see here specifically. Look closely. This is the only part that broke. Came back in, tested. So that was price move. So price broke out, tested, shot out. And when it shot out, came back. But let's see first. Hold on. We can actually also consider this all the way down here is actually where it tested. What am I saying? This is where it tested. All the way down here. Yeah, so now with that, this is your next box. You can see price actually already broke up. It broke up. Price came down, tested, and shot up again. So this is a good series of trades. If any of you guys were able to catch this, do let me know, because this is crazy. I did not catch any of this. So price broke out, came back and tested, shot out again. Now this is where it gets a little not for my taste personally, because now your box becomes this huge box right here. Now I want to get rid of everything in the past, because I feel like there's no point anymore holding on to any of them. Get rid of all of this, all of it. So now take a look here, and we take a look here. So it looks like price already shot out, it already tested him. Now that's what I'm thinking. But with this, does this mean you're gonna expect it to ride long? Personally, I probably would stay out of it. Or actually, no, I'm sorry. Get in. Right when I post this video, which will be like in 10 minutes after I post this, after I record this, maybe it'll be price will be somewhere here. Enter long, put 50%. Take that risk. This is a risk that you guys should take, and then do a 1.5 really quick. Just like that. Do a 1.5. And then if price comes all the way stopped, get out of it. Don't trade for 1 day. That's it. I personally feel like this is what I would do. See, this is not in any form or shape or form part of my system. But what I'm trying to say is you already have a better entry point, because a normal person would be entering from here with their stops at 50%. Right? A normal person would enter from the line, but you're not entering from the line. You have a chance to go from here. Yeah, you're currently in red, but that's fine. Enter. Definitely enter, in my opinion. And I guess that's about it for BTC. It's definitely looking on the long side, but I'm staying out of this one. But yeah, you guys should enter if you would like to. It's a lot of a risk trade, but I'm actually not even home at the moment, and I'm not going to be entering any trades because I personally feel like it's just, it's just uncomfortable for me to do, because I always risk manage as much as I can, and this is a little bit too much. But definitely a trade I would have taken on if I was home. So with Solana, okay, what the hell is going on here? Okay, I'm just gonna start off from the most previous box. Everything else can go. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I think it's clear. It's what you do is, step one is always to put out these, so we can see if price ever really broke. Okay, so price broke downwards, down. Now see, the thing is, like, yeah, you have these candles that actually prove they're in, but wait, the price came down in that way. Nah, yeah, I don't really like this one. This is already considered a break of structure to me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get at the bottom. This here is the bottom price, so we move on from there. We get this, and we get this. This one leaves now. Don't mind these trades. Get rid of everything in the past here. Okay, now let's see properly. As you can see, So price already broke out, it came back and tested, shot up, right? It shot up. So now you get this to here, and then as you can see, if you play closely again, let's zoom into this one. Okay, here. So with this box, price came in, shot up. Now this is gonna be your next box. Now your price broke out, came back and tested, shot up. Now this became your next box. So price broke out, came back in, tested, shot up. Exactly what happened with was that Ethereum or Bitcoin? One of those two. Anyway, so this is gonna be your next. This is what I don't like again. I don't like putting situations like this, because if you can see, this is your next box. Price did break out here. Did it test? Not yet. So it looks like we're in a buy position where these are supposed to be our next entry zones right here, but price does not seem to be coming in yet, because price has to test to mitigate first before we enter a long position. Definitely what I'm looking at for Solana at the moment. Yeah, so I guess that's actually it for today's video. I hope I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Do check out the comments and let me know what you guys want to see. This today was just a daily price update, price structure, all of that. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe, of course, if you did enjoy.